I had no idea it was going to be this windy today, you guys. It is crazy. But I'm out here fishing. Mother Nature ain't going to stop me. And the highway's locked down, so I figure I got to be out here at least an hour before that crap clears. There's an accident. There we go. There we go. There's a fish. There's a fish. There we go. All right. That's a good bass right there. He just barely hit it too. Big brush hog. All right. I feel kind of bad because this is right in a spot where there was a guy fishing when I just showed up about 15 minutes ago. Guy fishing said he didn't get a bite. This guy's about 2 pounds. Check that out. All right, we're gonna weigh this guy. He's been eating some shad. All righty. I don't know, this guy might be a little bit less than 2 pounds, but he's certainly a keeper. Is it too late to change what I said? I'll say 1.5 pounds. Hey, anything over 8 inches, I'm happy. Anything over 8 inches, man, I'm cool with. We got low battery. You gotta be kidding me, I can't weigh him. Battery's dead. Damn. Okay. It worked that time. See if we can get this. He's 1.2 pounds. All right, so a little less than 1.5 pounds, but all righty. Go ahead and let this girl go. See that? 1.2. I gotta change that battery when I get home. Here she goes. About a 16-inch bass right there. All right, that did not take long at all to get a fish today, and there's probably a solid 35-mile-per-hour wind gust. Do you see that? It's about 16 inches or so. Just saw a fish jump right there. Highway's locked down, so we're gonna stay here a while. There's a bite. There's a bite. Well, we didn't hook him. We didn't hook him, but that was little, whatever he was. Time to get this back out there. Get him. There he is, there he is. Got him. Got him. Whatever it is, I got it. Little spotted bass. Actually, not that little, you guys. Guy's over 1 pound. These spotted bass are so fat. Check this out. He wasn't getting off. It's actually about a 14-inch fish. I'm surprised. He certainly seemed a lot smaller than that. Check that out. Get that pretty eye. Let's get him back. It's too bad we don't have our live well, because we were actually after spotted bass here the other day and didn't get any. All right, here she goes. See her one last time. Right there. Yep, she beached herself. There you go. There you go. Alrighty, that's 2 fish, 2 different species. I think we might be able to get one more fish, but the sun is setting. So I might get out of this spot, go back towards my truck. Last cast, and then we're putting on a crankbait to finish up this day. All right, gonna put on a small crankbait. There's a fish. There's a fish. Crankbait, I told you so. Told you so. Come on. That's number 3. Come on. That's a good one. Another good fish right there. This one's bigger than the first one. That guy's watched me catch 2 of the 3 fish today. This is a good one. This is not that giant we saw jump down there just a second ago. Can't believe we caught something on this 10-year-old lure. I think we just about got it. Got it. Got it. This one's bigger than the first one. I'm gonna say 1.5 pounds. I'm gonna say 1.5 pounds. Nope, 1.34. 1.34, so definitely bigger than the first fish. All right. This is actually a really skinny fish. This guy should weigh a lot more. This guy's like 16 inches long, only weighs barely a pound. So, all right. So, there you go. Got ourselves a pretty decent fish right here. Nowhere easy to let him go. Here he goes.